Welcome to our tutorial on Flamingo Finance's OrderBook Plus, a decentralized order book built on the Neo N3 blockchain. Today, I'm going to show you how to place limit orders step by step. We'll cover depositing funds, setting up a limit order, claiming filled orders, and canceling orders. Let's dive in. Head on over to Flamingo Finance and navigate to the trade page. If you haven't already, click on Connect to link your wallet. If you're new to Flamingo, hit Add Account and select your wallet provider. For this example, we're using Neoline. A prompt from your wallet will appear. Log in by entering your password and clicking Login. Once your wallet window closes, you're all set to trade with OrderBook Plus. Next up, go ahead and click on Trading Account. To start trading, you'll need to fund your OrderBook Plus account. Choose the token you'd like to deposit, enter your desired amount, for example, 50 USDT, and click Deposit. When prompted on your wallet, click Yes to confirm the transaction. Finally, click Done to return to the OrderBook interface. Next, let's set up a limit order. Return to the Limit tab and choose the trading pair that matches your deposit. In this example, we're using the FLM-USDT pair. Here, you're going to buy FLM using your USDT. The current FLM price will auto-populate in the price field. Change that price to the USDT value you prefer, say 0.0382 per FLM. Then, either specify the amount of FLM you want or the USDT amount you'd like to use. For this demo, we'll go with 10 USDT. There is also a post-only option if you'd like to ensure the order is only added to the order book without immediate execution. Remember, if you're buying, your price must be below the current market rate, and if selling, above it. For this demo, we won't be selecting it. You can also click the price shelves directly, and your price will update automatically. Take a moment to double-check your inputs. Then, click on Buy FLM. When your wallet asks for confirmation, select Yes. After placing your order, it will fill once the market reaches your specified price. To keep track, scroll down to the Open Orders tab. Here, you'll see details like the order's creation time, the trading pair, order type, and the execution status. Once your order is fully or partially executed, you can claim your tokens by simply clicking the Claim button next to that order. If for any reason your order isn't filling or you want to make changes, you have the option to cancel it. Simply click Cancel for an individual order, or if you have several orders you want to stop, choose Cancel All to withdraw all pending orders. And that's it. You now know how to deposit funds, place a limit order, claim your executed orders, and cancel any orders on Flamingo Finance's OrderBook Plus. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!